Hello friends, welcome to EduACS, your education mentor. In this video, we will discuss about the fees of deemed universities of the year 2020. Lot of students have doubt that what is the exact tuition fees of all the deemed universities which are present in the MCC Medical Council Community Counseling. So in this video, we will discuss about the fees of the deemed universities. So if you want the list of these fees, you can download from the website of eduacs.com. So in this video you can see the tuition fees as well as you can also see the seat matrix of different deemed universities. So here we will see the course, the subject which the student want to opt according to their marks or their test, and the institute, the name of the deemed universities, like this is Hamdard Medical College, and there are three type of categories. One is management quota, another is NRI quota, this is is like Muslim quota, and this is Jain minority quota. There's only one college in under Jain minority, that is Sumandeep Medical College in Vadodara, Gujarat, and two Muslim minority colleges are there in the universities. One is Hamdard Medical College, another is Anapoya Medical College in Mangalore, Karnataka. Hamdard one is in like Delhi. So this is the list where you can see the seat matrix and the features of the. So we will discuss about the major subjects. So in orthopedics, in Hamdard Medical College, we can see that there is a tuition fees of 27 lakh rupees annually. All the fees available over here are on annual mode. Next is Opthal. Opthal is having 25 lakh rupees per annum in Hamdard Medical College. General surgery, 2 seats are there in Main quota, 1 seat in NRI quota, and 1 seat in Muslim minority quota. Total number of seats available is 4, and the annual tuition fees is rupees 25 lakh rupees for the general surgery. Same as respiratory medicine. So for the respiratory, Hamdard is having no seat with themselves. If we talk about radio diagnosis in Hamdard Medical College, 1 seat is available under Main quota. Every student can apply under the Main quota. 1 seat is available under NRI quota. Only the student, those who are having the documents of NRI quota, are eligible to participate under this quota, and as well the 1 seat is available under the Muslim minority quota. So all the Muslim minority student can only apply for this quota. So if the students are falling under some categories, under some communities like Muslim community or the Jain minority community, they can get a little bit benefit under the universities, under these colleges. So the fees is 40 lakh rupees annually for RD in Hamdard Medical College. Next is psychiatry medicine. Psychiatry, Hamdard is having no seat in the psychiatry medicine. So these are the major subjects of the Hamdard Medical College. For pediatrics, they are having total number of 4 seats. 2 seats are under Muslim minority, 1 seat is under NRI category, and 1 seat is under Main quota. Total number of seats is 4, and the annual tuition fees is 27 lakh rupees per annum. For OBS Gynae, we can see total number of seats are 4. 2 is available for Main quota, everybody can apply over here, and 1 seat individually in NRI and Muslim minority quota in Hamdard Medical College. The annual tuition fees is also very reasonable over here, is around 25 lakh rupees annually. We will see about general medicine. They are having total 4 seats under Hamdard Medical College. 1 seat is in management quota, 1 in NRI, and 2 under the Muslim minority. And the annual tuition fees is 25 lakh rupees annually. So these are the decent fees. The student from the North Indian state student can participate, can go for this college, which are having the decent rank, like up to the rank of 10,000. There is a very decent chance to get a seat in Hamdard Medical College with the fees of 25 lakh rupees annually. For Dermat, Hamdard is having no seat as of now. Anesthesia, Hamdard is having total fee 4 seats, and the annual tuition fees is 22 lakh rupees annually. Anatomy, the fees is only 65,000. Orthopedics, there are total 8 seats available in Hamdard Medical. So now the second college is Sumandeep Medical College. Sumandeep is also having a reasonable tuition fees this year. Sumandeep, so the if you see about the orthopedic, the total number of seats is 8, 2 under main quota, 3 under Jain minority quota, and 2 under NRI quota. And that annual tuition fees is 28,50,000 annually. For Opthal, total number of seats is 5, and the annual tuition fees is 26,50,000. So friends, what we can see over here, the tuition fees is same for every category, for even for the minority category and for the main quota, that and tuition fee is same, and for the NRI fees are little bit difference. For general surgery is 21,50,000 in Sumandeep. For respiratory, Sumandeep is having a annual tuition fees of 23,50,000. So this is how you can see the tuition fees of every medical college over here, and you can get the exact tuition fees of different medical college. So annual, like Sumandeep is having a very average fees. For anesthesia, it is having only 16,50,000 rupees annually. So it's quite reasonable tuition fees available in Sumandeep Medical College. After that, we can see Institute of Medical Science, Mulana. means Maharshi Mankadeshwar Medical College. It's in Haryana, Ambala. So, and this college is having a lot of PG seats, a lot of clinical seats. You can see, like in comparison to other college, this college is having a major number of seats. So if we talk about that fees structure, is also a average tuition fees, something like 28 lakh, 25 lakh, 29 lakh, 18 lakh tuition fees available here. For radio diagnosis is under 40 lakh, 39 lakh, 95,000 is the annual tuition fees for RD. Psychiatry 25 lakh, 95,000. So pediatrics, so for the pediatrics, it is having something around 30 lakh rupees less than in Medical College. For Obs Gynae, they are charging 31 lakh 95,000 annually, Mulana Medical College. For general medicine, Mulana is having total number of 19 seats, and the annual tuition fees is less than 30 lakh rupees annually, 29 lakh 25,000. So the the total cost of education will be something around 90 lakh rupees for the 3 years, and you will be getting something around 18 lakh rupees as a stipend. So the total cost of education will be something around 75 lakh rupees for the entire course in the Medical College, Mulana Medical College in Haryana. In the Dermat, they are having total 4 seats, and the tuition fee is 36,095 lakh rupees. For anesthesia, they are charging an average fees that is only 16 lakh 95,000 in Medical College. After that, there comes a very good college, one of the major and the top medical college of India, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, which is also known as KLE Belgavi. That is one of the best college in India, and especially in the Opthal and ENT. Orthopedics, KLE is charging 24 lakh 24,000. Total number of seats is 10. Opthal, KLE is having total 5 seats, and the annual tuition fees is 22 lakh 4,000 annually. General surgery, KLE is having an annual tuition fees of 22 lakh 4,000 annually, and the total number of seats are 18. For respiratory diseases, they are having 5 seats in both the categories, NRI and management, and the annual tuition fees is 22 lakh 4,000 only. They are not having any seat in radiotherapy. Coming to the radio diagnosis, so KLE is having total 15 seats in radio diagnosis, and the average tuition fees is also very average, is around 25 lakh 4,000 annually. Psychiatry medicine, KLE is having 5 seat, and the annual tuition fees is 22 lakh rupees. So for patho, they are having a very average tuition fees. is 7,46,500. So the student, those who are having a little bit higher rank, they can target for the KLE Medical College, Belgavi for the pathology. That average tuition fees is also very large. Coming to the pediatrics, KLE is having 20 seats in pediatrics, and the average tuition fees is also very average. So tuition fees is 23,14,000 annually. For Obs Gynae, KLE is having total 19 seats this year in the session of 2020, and the tuition fees is 22,04,000. In general medicine, KLE is having total 21 seats, and the tuition fees is 22,04,000 annually. In the case of dermatology, so for dermat, KLE is having total 5 seats, and the annual tuition fees is 24,24,000. So for anesthesia, KLE is having 22 lakh rupees fees, and the total number of seats is 10. After that comes GSS Mysore. So that is also one of the best medical college of India in Karnataka. So JSS is also having a average tuition fees this year, one of the lowest tuition fees in comparison to other deemed universities. So for orthopedics, JSS is having 11 seats, and the tuition fees is 26,12,500 rupees yearly. For Opthal, GSS is having total 4 seats, all are under management quota, and the annual tuition fees is 16,12,500. So this is how you can see all the like deemed universities is available over here. Hospital administration course is also available in JSS Mysore. One seat is there, and the fees is also very like average tuition fees, that is only 9,12,500 for hospital administration. Emergency critical care department is also available in JSS Mysore, and total 2 seats are available over here, and the annual tuition fees is 16,12,500. So this is how you can see the fees of different deemed universities. KS Hegde fees is there. After that, KMC fees are there. So we will see some features of KMC, like for orthopedic, KMC Mangalore is having 6 seats, and the tuition fees is 26,10,000. KMC Bangalore and KMC Manipal, both the KMC's campus are having the same tuition fees. Every year they are having the same tuition fees under both the department, under the undergraduate and the postgraduate. For general surgery, Mangalore KMC is having 7 seats, and the tuition fees is 23,20,000 rupees annually. So this is how you can see the fees of different. This is KMC Manipal. After KMC Manipal, you can see the Raja Rajeshwari Medical College, which is in Bangalore, Karnataka. For radio diagnosis, Raja Rajeshwari is having total 12 seats, and the fees is 50 lakh rupees annually, 1.50 CR for an entire course duration, and the stipend will be also included in that. So the cost of education will be more than 1 crore 30 lakh rupees. So the student can, those who are looking for the fees of the deemed universities, you can get it the fees from this video, and in the link we will provide the PDF. So you can also download the PDF, and you can see the seat matrix of the year 2020 and the tuition fees of all the deemed universities from this session. So what the student have to do, that you have to go to the description box, and the PDF link will be available over there. You have to download that PDF link, and you can see all the tuition fees of the different deemed universities. There are total 41 deemed universities available, so you can see the total fees of all the deemed universities, and even you can also see the seat matrix. So this is all for today, friends. Hopefully this information will work for the students in order to make the hierarchy of the choice filling. Thank you so much, friends. We will meet again in next video with more information regarding the NEET counseling. Thank you so much, friends.